Well, I've cleaned up my 3D printing space. Got rid of an old office desk that I was using and picked up this 60-inch Yukon 3-drawer hardwood workbench from Harbor Freight. Now what's this other box doing here on my new workbench?
This is getting out of hand. Now there are 2 of them.
Okay, yeah. I've got 2 X1 carbons now. Guess the first thing I need to do is print some accessories. So my original X1 carbon, I've had these glass risers that have worked well for printing PLA and letting the excess heat exhaust out the top so I could have the front door closed. So we'll just get those taken off because now it's time with 2 X1Cs to color coordinate. So my original will be green, and I actually had green for my Ender 5 Pro, so looks good on this X1C. So if I've got green for one, then that means the other is going to be red. That's not for Christmas colors, although that does work, but as a Star Wars fan, always been partial to green and red. Alright, and we'll just get the glass back on top. Nice and secure. Yeah, red looks good on this one. Looking forward to printing with both of these. They look nice side by side. Alright, and with the colors and the dragon theme, gotta give them names, so say hello to Jade 4 and Red 5. Thank you for watching.